Let's first remove the 4 Torx bit screws. I pre-loosened these so that wouldn't take as long in the video. And by the way, the Torx bit is it's a T8 Torx bit. So once you remove the 4 screws, turn the panel over and with your thumbs slightly push and the panel will come out like that. This is the silicone that goes into the panel. As you notice, there's a large gap here. That gap goes with these upper row of lights. It pops right back in there. Then the circuit board's in the back of the touchscreen back. You just push a little bit of pressure, pops out the HD panel. There's your upper row of 3 LED lights. This would be switch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this tape is what holds the silicone, or holds the dome buttons on. If you take an X-Acto knife, you could lift this tape up, pull it back, and reposition this dome, and then stick it back on and push the tape on it, and then do this with your finger, and then test it. You could plug it in and test it.